Hey folks, let's do something a little different today. We're going to be hearing from the professional dancers at Ballet Palm Beach, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Cheryl Ale, the founding director of RPM, the revolutionary principles of movement. I'm here to teach dancers and teachers to be the very best that they can be. This is really ballet for everybody. Everybody. Madeline is going to share her best stretches to help you prepare for class. So let's get started.
Today I'm going to show you 2 stretches that help me as a dancer personally. A lot of dancers think of just whacking their leg up, throwing it on a bar, throwing it on the wall, dropping into a big split. That actually doesn't stretch you very well. So I'm going to show you 2 things that help my legs and my muscles for appropriately stretching. So the first one, I like to lay flat on the floor, bring my knee to my chest, stretch, hold the back of your leg, push against your hands. Use that resistance so you're engaging your hamstring, and then pull closer and relax. And then repeat it about 3 to 5 times, really resisting, engaging that muscle, and then bring it closer. Do it again, and stretch. And each time you do that, you can feel that your hamstring is stretching further and further for a good deep stretch. So that's great for the backs of your legs. Another great stretch is standing at the bar, holding your leg to the front. Bring it to the side. Don't bring your hips up. Don't crank it. Try to keep it really, really underneath yourself so that you're using the back of your hamstring. Stretch it. Front, and then try to hold it there. Flexibility is just as important as strength. When you have that perfect balance is when you have your best flexibility. So from the back, same thing. Right behind you. Bring it to the side again. Hold it, and then bring it down. Right and left, both sides. And then another great thing to use is a foam roller. This deeply loosens up your IT bands, your hamstrings. So getting really deep in there and then doing those stretches after you've rolled out is another helpful tip.
If this is your first time to this channel, we'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe. Also, go check out CherylAle.com. This channel is all about helping dancers dance better and teachers teach better. And remember, hit that subscribe button.